welcome back to my YouTube video channel edition. Tonight I just wanted to show you a case in point regarding to how digital technology and the technology that we have, we're able to do so much for a patient. Today I'm taking out a tube number 14. There is a deep pocket on the gum and the patient really have a lot of pain. This was hopeless, so we took out a middle tube of this picture here, number 14. Within a month, as you can see, the bone have been recovered. Just 1 month. What did we do? We put bone graft. We're using oxygen plug, and we plug it in and the gum healed really nicely. So we are about to show you what we do. We give patient option of doing implant. Patient doesn't want to do that. She have medical issues. She just want to have a bridge. So we went ahead and wrapped a bridge, gave the patient a temporary bridge right now. And so it's about 3 weeks later, we took out the temporary bridge, and this is how you look. That's how you see the tissue is still healing, not totally yet, but that's because part of it was a temporary bridge. What I'm doing right now is I'm going to try on the permanent bridge. As you can see, the permanent bridge color look a lot nicer and the texture look nicer. We deliver it. We put using the dual care cement. So we are taking out the cement right now using the Explorer. Remove all the accessory cement underneath the bridge. We took X-ray before we do this. The X-ray look fine, no problem. So we're ready to give the patient a permanent bridge right now within just a month and a half or less. And so as you can see that everything look wonderful. The accessory cement come out from different angle of the abutment. We have to remove everything. After I do this, I will check the bite and also do double check with curing the margin of the bridge carefully with the abutment, making sure that we remove all the accessory material, as well as making sure that the material is well set before we have a patient buy and need. This is the X-ray. As you can see, there is no problem with the margin. This is the model. They gave me a bridge, just 3 units bridge, so perfectly inside the patient mouth. Didn't have to do a lot of adjustment. So this is what I can say to you is that the digital technology like Medit500, 500 or 700, those are wonderful technology. You should try to utilize these new technology to make your office do better and faster, more efficient. Patient will be happy because they don't have to waste like 6 months to get this bridge done. So wait for the bone to heal. All of that can be done as long as you know how to manipulate the soft tissue and get to the where it's supposed to be. As you can see, this is the final product. It's beautiful, and I love technology using the combination of bone graft material, oxygen plug, and digital Medit500. It's a wonderful thing to do for a patient. I encourage everyone to try those material and technology out. Make some comment, have any question, let me know. Thank you for continuing to support my channel. Just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to those who are watching this video today. Thank you again. Bye-bye.